So today we're going to write equations for polynomials in standard form. What we're going to give is some x-intercepts and a point. This is going to be very similar to writing quadratics. So the idea is trying to find those x-intercepts and translate them to factors and find that a value that makes the polynomial fit perfectly to the extra point that we're given. So for starters, we're going to start off with the equation y equals a, and then my x-intercept of 2 means a factor of x minus 2. X-intercept of negative 1 is a factor of x plus 1. And then an x-intercept of negative 3 means a factor of x plus 3. And so remember, you'd set factors equal to 0. So if I set x minus 2 equal to 0, I would add 2 to both sides and get x equals 2. Again, factors and x-intercepts or zeros are always opposite signs. Alright, so next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to expand this out. Okay, so I'm going to multiply this out, take the first two, multiply them together, x times x. So there's my x squared, and then x times 1 is plus 1x, negative 2 times x is negative 2x, negative 2 times 1 is negative 2. Simplify that a little bit. I get x squared minus x minus 2. And then I'm going to bring down both the x plus 3 factor and the a. So I get y equals a times x squared minus x minus 2, and then x plus 3. So I'm going to do the same thing, and now I'm going to multiply the trinomial times the binomial. So I'm going to get x cubed, and then 3x squared, and then distribute the negative x, so negative x squared minus 3x, and then distribute the negative 2. So negative 2 times x is negative 2x, and negative 2 times 3 is going to be a negative 6. Again, just going to bring down that a, and my y equals. Alright, so I'm getting close. I'm going to combine some like terms, simplify this a little bit. So I get x cubed. I've got 3x squared minus x squared is plus 2x squared. Negative 3x and negative 2x is a minus 5x, and then minus 6. And y equals a. Alright, so last thing I'm going to do is now plug in this point to find a. So negative 12 goes in for y and 0 for x. I could definitely do that up here with sort of the original problem to find a. Kind of depends on what you want to do with it. So I'm going to put negative 12 in for y. You get a 0 cubed plus 2 times 0 squared minus 5 times 0 minus 6. All these with the zeros go to 0. So I get negative 12 equals a times negative 6 divided by negative 6. And a equals 2. Alright, so I'm almost done. Now I'm going to plug that 2 value in and distribute it. So I get y equals 2 times the quantity x cubed plus 2x squared minus 5x minus 6. And now distribute that 2, and we will be done and have our polynomial. So my final answer is going to be y equals 2x cubed plus 4x squared minus 10x minus 12. And that is how we write a polynomial in standard form given our x-intercepts.